Will AI replace me? Will it replace developers? I don't think so. It's going to empower, replace routine tasks so that developer can focus on all the other stuff. Same fears on control and ownership. Who owns AI and software workflows? What's going to happen? Can we trust AI in coding? Well, we already trust developers, so we have to have those control structures on top of that, build traceability, build testing around that. It's not just about automating coding now. It's much more about automating your whole organization about it. We've done a lot of work in software about automating the way that we create coding. But now we can also, with AI, automate a lot of the soft values as well on how do we automate your business. We are starting to automate a lot of stuff with AI. And that's going to be a big jump for organizations to build different kind of organization structures on how I am going to work with AI agents or how we are going to handle these hybrid organizations. And I think that's going to be the most interesting time. Words of a Chinese proverb, may you live in interesting times. I think this is going to be one of those.